Hi, I am Vicky. This is outside view of City View Hotel and Spa. This is 2-star hotel. I was staying for 2 days but service is not good. I booked the Mekong Delta one-day small tour by van from my hotel. Before arriving at Mekong Delta, the van stopped at scenic spot for 15 minutes break after an hours of travel. The tour cost is very cheap from my hotel. It is approximately 2000 rupees only. After a 2.5 hours of journey, we reached the Mekong Delta. Itinerary of Mekong Delta: Sairang floating market, boat trip to Unicorn Island, where you will find coconut factory, shops and singing, lunch at riverside and cycling tour. Finally, board a boat, enjoy a leisurely cruise soaking in a picturesque sight of Mekong. Our tour guide is very knowledgeable. He explained everything about the Mekong Delta tour. Now reach that coconut factory, saw coconut candy making process. You can buy delicious coconut candies for your loved ones from here. Now we are embarking on our journey to enchanting Dragon Phoenix and Unicorn Islets. Lush trees adorned with arrays of tantalizing fruits await your gaze. You have opportunity to behold both snakes and crocodile in their natural habitat. Embark on traditional canal ride. Immerse yourself in daily lives of locals. Now off to savor a mouth-watering lunch featuring local specialties at a charming river restaurants. The lunch buffet boasts an array of delectable snacks with a predominant focus on seafood delicacies. Embarking on journey to Honey Bee Farm. Here you will find delicious honey tea infusion with lemon juice. At the last stop of bamboo shops, enjoy delicious fruits with tune of local music. Now you will enjoy a performance of traditional southern Vietnamese music. Afterwards, you can purchase clothing, purses and more at these shops. On way back, don't miss to visit stunning Vinh Trang Pagoda temple, a breathtaking sight that promises to enrich our journey with its serene beauty. A significant Buddhist temple featuring towering giant statues, captivating all who visit with its grandeur and spiritual allure. Inside the temple mesmerize everyone with its serene and grand presence. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.